Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the first vegan recipe, and this one is super simple, and I was so surprised how much I loved the result. So I can't wait to share this with you. You want to start out with some flour in a bowl. You want to add your baking soda as well as the sugar. And then you want to give it a good mix. Next up, I added a little bit of cinnamon, and then the water, some vegetable oil, and a little bit of vanilla extract. And now you want to mix until it is a nice dough. Then I added in a little bit of apple vinegar to activate the baking soda and mixed that in too. Now you want to take 2 baking tins and separate the dough into 2 halves. And then you want to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. Now you want to let them cool down completely, and then you want to take 1/2 and spread your jam onto that. And then you want to take the other half and cover that up. Last but not least, you can go ahead and sprinkle some sugar on top so it looks nice and delicious, and then you're ready to enjoy. And as I said, I was so surprised how good this turned out. It was really delicious, really soft, and with the cinnamon and the vanilla, it had some Christmassy nice taste. So I hope you give this a try, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!